So, you got yourself one of these cool new DJI drones for Christmas or Hanukkah or Kwanzaa or whatever, your birthday. Who knows what happened? You got it though. You're a new DJI drone owner. This is what they're not telling you though. Now they should. Like literally on the front package, when you open the drone up, they should tell you this, but they don't. I don't know why, but they don't. And that is these batteries and the one that's in the drone right now, they self-discharge whether they're in the drone or not, whether they're in the battery charger or not. The only battery that doesn't self-discharge is the remote control. Now, why is that important? Why do they do that? Oh, it's so you waste more electric. No. Here's what was happening. People were storing these batteries for a long time with a full charge, and then when they would put it in the drone and turn the drone on and it heats up, the battery itself would expand, and then the battery would have to be warranted or thrown away because the battery was too big, and also it was causing drones to fall out of the sky possibly, you know? So they figured out a way to make the battery discharge itself to about 60% battery while it's being stored. So after about 7 days, these batteries will go to 60%. That's what 60% looks like on the charger display. Like I said, the only thing that doesn't do that is the remote control, but everything else, no matter if it's in the drone or not, whether it's in one of these or not, it self-discharges to 60%. So if this information is new to you and you appreciate it, give this video the thumbs up.